Get ready for the miniature cooking live, and that is no fire.
Facebook from Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram ID. So today, as I said, that it is going to be a miniature cooking, that is a live miniature cooking. It will be very easy, and at the same time I said it's no fire cooking, as because you know the situation is going on right now about the gas and cylinder. So today I am going to prepare a recipe. So basically this is a healthy version, you can say. I did the baking. So right now in live cooking, baking is not possible. It will take so much time. That's why I will show you and I will tell you all the process, and when I will upload this video in YouTube channel, that is Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu, in the description box you will get the recipe of that. And basically I thought to prepare two live recipe, but right now I have tremendous work pressure. So my previous commitment was there, that's why the pop-up is going on. It was a street food pop-up, that is Kolkata special deem paroti and ghugni, that is a combo, and another is mutton halim. So it started from 9th of March and it will go to till 14th of March. So right now I'm very busy, and another today I shared the halim pop-up. Actually that is the first day on 9th, because every day it is not possible to click the picture because regular food is going, and at the same time what I did, that is I already said that for the time being, until the gas and cylinder problem is not solved, in the monthly or in a regular basis, in monthly, or if anybody is taking individual food, thali, rozana thali is off for the time being. Once the situation is okay, because you know during lockdown also we adjusted with that, so according to the situation we can adjust. Amra bachar jonno khai, so right now canteen meal will be available. So all of my clients, they already switched, they are taking rozana thali monthly, they switched to canteen meal for the time being. So the rationing and this part is there, and there is no extra charges for that, right, as of now. So and about the delivery, as I said in the video, today I shared a video in my YouTube channel during the halim. There is a voiceover that people ask me, "Are you don't have home delivery? Then how can I order?" I had home delivery. When Swiggy Jenny is there, we can actually book multiple riders. Like every day 10 to 12 people are ordering me, so I can book at the same time. I can book multiple riders. So it was possible, like from 11 AM onwards my delivery started, so people can get food on time. But right now I cannot, I don't use app like what I can say, the delivery app or something like that. I don't use. I have only one app if there is any emergency, so that I can use the app. But all the app like Uber, Rapido, Porter, I have seen once the one order is dropped to the place, then only I can book another rider. It will take 30 to 40 minutes, sometimes it's more. So for me, if 10 people is ordering me for the lunch, if I start from 11 AM, so I cannot have 2-3 app. I don't have either. So if 10 to 12 people also, if logically if I have 3 apps, suppose I have 3 different app is showing me different prices. So if I can book through this app, so at a time I can do 3 delivery from the same time, not more than that. So that's why I suggest you, everybody, that if you want to do the if you want to get the food from your place, you can have the app. Just download the app. I can guide you about this. You can have Porter, you can have Rapido, you can have Uber, and after that book a slot and do the pickup from my place. So the rider will come, and so that you can get food on time. So this is the thing. There is no hidden cost, nothing. So this is what at least people have to understand. অনেকে এটা বুঝতে চান না যে কেন ডেলিভারি নেই আমার এখানে কেন হবে না। তো এটাই হচ্ছে প্রবলেম। আমি ডেলিভারি যদি দিই, যে একটা রাইডার একবারে একটাই রাইডার বুক করা যায়, এবার তারপরে সে যতক্ষণ না ওখানে ড্রপ করছে, আমার কাছে ফিডব্যাক আসছে, তার আগে আমি আরেকটা মানে যেটা জার্নি এন্ড বলা হয়, ওটা না হওয়া অবধি আমি মাল্টিপল বুক করতে পারি না। এটাতে আপনাদেরই প্রবলেম হবে। সো আপনারা 10-12 জন যদি অর্ডার করেন, মানে আমার সারাদিন শুধু লাঞ্চই চলে যাবে। ওই জন্য এটা বেটার হবে যে আপনারা নিজেরা যে কোনো একটা কি দুটো অ্যাপ আপনারা ইনস্টল করে নিন, অ্যান্ড আফটার দ্যাট আমার সঙ্গে when you are placing order আমাকে জানিয়ে দিন। আমি যেই মুহূর্তে আমার ফুড রেডি হয়ে যায় আমি জানিয়ে দিই থ্রু হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ, and then you can book the rider accordingly. এবার আপনারা প্রপার টাইমে পেয়ে যাবেন। So this is how we can reach to more people. I can serve to more people. Flexibility, that's why I said flexi delivery. So that is the reason. This is very flexible thing. So অনেক কথা হয়ে গেল, let's go for the cooking. আমি আজকে what I will prepare, that is miniature burger. You are thinking what is new? I will show you what is new. So it's time to flip the camera, adjust and flip basically. গরম অলরেডি পড়ে গেছে, এবার কিচেনের মধ্যে প্রচন্ড গরম লাগে। I'm almost sweating. Let me adjust the camera. Hope. Yeah. So miniature cooking, অনেকেরই মনে হয় miniature cooking, when we do the miniature cooking, I think you saw me in my YouTube channel, there is a playlist where miniature cooking is there. So in miniature cooking you can আমাদের অনেক কিছু লাগে, but this is the very easy one. If you want to do it, you can do it at home, and you can actually you can do the normal burger also. So let me show you what I have. And by the way, this is not a branding or promotional video, but the brand I'm using, I'm showing it to you. So I have lettuce leaf. Let me show you what I have. So lettuce, this is from KSW. So this is from KSW. This lettuce was only 5 rupees. I bought it from South City Spencer. So for the shooting I bought it. ওদের প্রাইসটা বেশ রিজনেবল থাকে, and this is really very fresh. You can see it's very fresh. And moreover, you can get the name of the person who actually grew it. ওনাদের যে ফার্মাররা আছেন এই যে এখানে তাদের নামও দেওয়া থাকে. So this is KSW. Let me show you KSW. So আমি মাঝে মধ্যে এটা আমি ইউজ করি, long KSW, and after that miniature. So you need something very cute. So this is the Hellmans mayonnaise. So I have this tiny mayonnaise, and tomato sauce I have, that is Delmonte tomato sauce. And what else I have? I will use cheese slice. So here I am using MilkyMist, the cheese slices. Let me show you one. So these are the cheese slice I will use. MilkyMist, that was cheaper in taste, and it was good actually, tasty. And here goes the burger bread. So you can see I bought it from Spencer Bakery. You can buy it from anywhere, but I bought it from Spencer Bakery. Basically burger bun, it was 60 rupees in Spencer, but that day the offer is going on just a few days back. So it was 30 rupees for this 4 burger. You can count that how cheap it is when you are preparing at home. And let me show you what I prepared. So for the burger you need a chicken patty. So I made this chicken patty at home, and that is you can fry also, but I did the baking. Here what I used, some minced chicken, and then mashed potato, boiled and mashed potato. Sometimes I use the grated potato, but here I use the boiled and mashed potato. And then in the spices I use salt, and then some chopped onion. No, onion is not spice by the way. So salt, black pepper powder, golmorich, and salt, and then 1 egg, and ginger garlic paste. I just mix it, and yes, breadcrumbs is there. With the breadcrumbs I just mix it, and then I made a patty. So I will and then I bake it. I have only 2 patty, so one is small, one is little bit big. So I prepared it and I baked it for around 15 minutes. So after 5 to 7 minutes I just flip like this, and then I bake it in 180 degrees centigrade. Now the convection mode. So let me start. And now for the miniature cooking, as I said, you need something very cute. So you need a cutter like this, round cutter like this. Because if you I don't know you are from which city, you can get the mini burger bread or not. I am from Kolkata and I get the mini burger bread also. So if you don't get it, there is an option. I am going to show you what to do. So here goes the burger bread, and then I will cut it like this, half. and then with the help of the cutter I will cut it. I need 2 portions. So this is going to be the base, and next one the upper part. Because I am going to do the miniature cooking and the easiest way, that's why I am taking this burger bread. Maybe, I don't know, maybe at your place you don't get the burger bread, so in that case you can cut it like this. So this is the top portion, and I will have another one. Again cut it like this. This is the best part, and this is the upper one. Okay, so I don't need the thicker part, so I will remove this portion. I don't need it. Here also I just need like this, so remove it. And now first I will spread this mayonnaise. You can use any flavored mayonnaise, but I have the plain one. I love plain mayonnaise, that's why I'm using the plain one. So mayonnaise is there, and have to spread it evenly. You can use the mustard sauce also, but I don't use, because I don't like this mustard sauce. That's why I don't use the mustard sauce. And now I have the lettuce. Again cut it. First put the lettuce. Don't use the stem one. When you are cutting, don't use the stem, it will break. So you have to use this portion, the leafy portion. Here you go. Lettuce is here. And then I will just cut it like this. Give a pressure. Here. So the mini burger patty is here. Second one, just press it. Second one just came out. I'm going to place it here. Another is here. We don't need it. And then time for some cheese. So I need the cheese. Again I have to cut it. Very carefully. Sometimes it can break because it's summer and my kitchen is not AC. Even my house is not AC either. So place it here. But before that, I will have the onion ring. And now I was looking for my cutter. 1 and 2. rest of the cheese I will eat. Just joking. So here goes the cheesy one, the burger. It's looking very cute, isn't it? And then I have cucumber again. So I need this portion. Cucumber. Another one is there. Press it and you will get the round cucumber. Once I will share the recipe of this patty, you can see that how easy it is. And now it's time for some ketchup, tomato ketchup. And then here comes the tomato. It is like a tower right now. And what else I will do? This is purely optional, but you know, I have that cheese. So what I will do with the cheese? It's better that I will add the cheese over here. And then flip it upside down. So cheese will go like this. And now I need a toothpick. Burger is already ready. This one. You know what is happening? This one actually the upper portion I just put it in the down part, so that's why I just flipped it. So this can happen. It's done. And though it's miniature, we need some cute serving plate. So just I will clean up the station. Don't worry, it won't fall. I'll just come back. For miniature, you need something miniature. So this is the mini plate, and I will serve the burger in this plate. And here goes the second one. So I am done. And this is the miniature burger. So isn't it very cute? Do try this recipe. And you just check my, as I said, that is how you can do the patty. You can prepare the patty. Now you have to see me. I'm done already. So let's flip the camera and talk to me. So the miniature burger is done. Let me show you the burger. So this is the cute burger. I think you like this recipe. I don't get any response right now. I will get the response later, I know. And I know people are right now very busy and worry. But don't worry, everything will be fine. We can hope for the best. Stay positive and stay tuned with Madhurima's Kitchen. I am thinking next week maybe I can do another miniature like that is also no gas cooking or something. Let's see till then I think the situation is going to be better. Let's hope for the best and going to enjoy this burger right now. So bye.